What's up, everyone? I picked up some new replacement lids for my 40-ounce tumbler. These are really nice. So I love the color of this one. The purple with the green matches the cup. Open it up and show you. Comes with 2 straws, one for each of the lids. They're made out of a really high quality plastic. They're super durable, so they open up really easy. Have the straw part there for your mouth. They close up really nice. It's like a really soft silicone material. The gray part on here is a silicone material, just like the straw. Really nice and soft, but firm enough to just push right back in. It has really nice threads on here. Makes taking the lid on and off nice and easy. What I really like about these ones is that when you take a sip, there's no noise. It's really quiet. Really quiet. You can't hear the air exchange on there. Just really nice. High quality 40-ounce tumbler lids. If you're in the market for some, these ones are a great option. Thanks for watching.